An electric folding fat bike was a weird niche, but somehow it has become a new trend this year. I tried my first fat tire bike a few months ago and I really loved it. However, it was very bulky and unfoldable. The Heybike mods offer almost everything you could expect from a folding bike at an amazingly low price of less than 1000. The mods is almost ready to use out of the box. Basically, I just took it out of the box, tightened a few parts, attached pedals, and fully charged the battery before the first ride. It is equipped with all essential accessories like front and rear LED lights, horn, fenders, and a rear rack. I really like the sturdy rear rack, which can hold up to 100 pounds. Even my kid can sit on the back with no problem. The extra carriage option is helpful for anyone looking to use the bike for commuting or running errands. My only concern with the design is that the seat post is a little too short. Therefore, you shouldn't adjust the seat too high to keep it sturdy. Although the mods features 20-inch tires like many other folding bikes on the market, this is the most comfortable folding bike I've ever used. It's even comfier than larger 26-inch bikes. Heybike achieved this by equipping the mods with fat tires and front suspension fork. You probably don't need the suspension when riding on paved road, but you will see the difference on rough surfaces. I often unlock the suspension when riding on uneven bike trails because it can isolate my bottom from the roughness of the road. Combining the suspension fork with fat tires, I'm quite satisfied with smooth rides on terrains other e-bikes can't get to. There are switches on top of the fork to engage and adjust the suspension, so you can always have the right amount of shock absorption. The bike can be folded in half for easier storage and transportation. It's compact enough to fit in my car trunk without folding down the car back seat. And when I bring it inside, it doesn't take up too much space. Having said that, the bike is still quite heavy at 66 pounds, and I really had trouble carrying it up or down my narrow stairs. The folding and unfolding process is also not as fast because all parts are larger and heavier. Powered by a 500-watt gear hub motor, the Mars has a max speed of 20 miles per hour, and you can ride faster when pedaling with a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain. It has about 20 to 46 mile range, depending on the level of pedal assistance. There are 3 levels of pedal assistance and a full throttle mode. You can use the thumb throttles on the right handle to ride this bike without pedaling, but the battery range will be decreased dramatically to just around 20 miles then. When running out of battery, you can keep pedaling to your destination. Just make sure it is a short distance, because pedaling this bike can be more exhausting than on a normal bike. The battery is removable, and you can lock or unlock it using a provided key. You can remove the battery and recharge it anywhere, or just leave it on the bike. There is a USB port so that you can use this battery to recharge your mobile device as well. The Mars is impressive in almost every aspect, but it is still not a perfect bike. I don't really like the pedal assistant because it gives me power boost at a very low speed. Even when I set the pedal assistant at level 1, I'm still surprised with the sudden speed boost. This is understandable because it uses a cadence sensors like other budget e-bikes on the market. To conclude, let's check out all pros and cons of the bike. Pros: affordable price, compact design, extremely comfortable on all terrains, good battery range. Cons: heavy, difficult to control pedal assistance at low speed. The Heybike Mars is among the most affordable fat e-bikes on the market, and I have no complaint after testing it for over a month. It's a bit heavy, but it is also the most comfortable folding bike I've ever used. Therefore, we at BikeFolded highly recommend it.